To get started with the Google Sheets integration, you'll first need to authorize your Google account. Start by navigating to your AFI settings and toggle the Google Sheets option to Enabled. Next, head over to the Instructions section. You'll find a link there that takes you directly to the Google Developer Console. Once there, click on Create Project to begin. Give your project a recognizable name, something like AFI. Click Create. After a few moments, select the project from the notification list or the top drop-down menu to ensure you're working in the right place. Now, we need to enable the specific tools Google needs to talk to your site. Navigate to the top left menu, select APIs and Services, and then click Enabled APIs and Services. First, search for the Google Drive API. Select it and hit Enable. We need this so the plugin can see your list of available spreadsheets. Next, go back to the library and search for the Google Sheets API. Enable this one as well. This is what allows the plugin to actually read and write data inside your sheets. With the APIs ready, let's set up the permissions. Click OAuth Consent screen. Click Get Started. In the App Information section, enter your app name and your support email address, then click Next. For the audience, select External and Proceed. Enter your contact information on the following screen, agree to the terms and conditions, and click Create. Now let's generate your access keys. Go to the Clients menu and select Create OAuth Client. Choose Web Application as the application type and give it a name. Scroll down to the Authorized Redirect URIs section and click Add URI. Switch back to your AFI Google Sheets settings page on your website, copy the redirect URI provided there, and paste it back into the Google console. Hit Create. A pop-up will appear. Click OK. Next, we need to define exactly what data the app can touch. Go to the Data Access menu. Search for the Google Drive API and check the box for the Drive.readonly scope. Click Update. Now search for the Google Sheets API, select the Spreadsheet scope, and click Update again. Verify that both scopes are listed in your summary, then click Save. Go to the Verification Center menu and click View Audience Configuration. Click the Publish App button and confirm. Note, you may see prompts about verification. You can ignore those. Manual verification from Google is not required for this specific setup. Go back to Clients menu, open the client you just created. Here you will get Client ID and Client Secret. In the AFI Google Sheets settings, click Add Account. Copy your Client ID and Client Secret, then click Save and Authorize. Choose the Google account you want to link. Because this is a private app you just created, Google will show an unverified warning. Don't worry, this is normal. Click Advanced, then click the link at the bottom that says Go to your website link. On the final permission screen, check Select All to give the plugin the access it needs and click Continue. That's it! Your app should now show as connected and you're ready to start syncing data.